We got these new microphones. I got to turn it on there. Before you get started, a lot of people don't realize that David Young's dedicated more than 32 years. We won't put it all there. 32 years to provide underrepresented youth and young adults with the tools they need to succeed in higher education and in their careers. David is a director of Toledo Excels at the University of Toledo, a successful scholarship incentive program that has enrolled 96% of its 1,500 scholars into college. He also leads Brothers on the Rise, a mentorship program for minority male students. Thank you for that. His dedication to ensuring all students, no matter their background, are set up to succeed in college and beyond, deserves to be commended. David has received the University of Toledo's Laslop C.A. Thomas Service to Students Award, UT Donald S. Parks Faculty Staff Advisory of the Year Award, and the Central City Ministry of Toledo Urban All-American Award. He was also inducted into the St. John's Jesuits High School Hall of Fame in 2019. We're so glad that you're here with us, David, and I'm so especially glad that you have stuck with this initiative for 32 years, and what you have given back to our community is recommendable, and thank you, thank you, thank you. At this time, Commissioner Lopez.
Thank you. I'm happy to say that when Pastor Perriman asked me who would I like to nominate for Black History Month, I said I would like to nominate David Young. I have known David since I was on campus at the University of Toledo. There are so many champions that get TV time, newspaper articles, and David has been on campus. Actually, he started his career, I believe, assisting the Dean of Students at the University of Toledo. I think you were a graduate student, probably under Dave. But he was right there across. So Dean of Students was on the first floor. BSU, Black Student Union, LSU, Latino Student Union were on the second floor. And he was an alpha, of course. And so all the girls at Metro LSU, of course, always liked the alphas. I got to let you know that. And but I saw David from a young age with the heart and passion to care about students. And he was that way on campus as a student, but also then dabbling a little bit in law school. And then he realized his heart needed to be back in higher education because he knew what Dr. Cooks was doing at Excel. I work for Dr. Cooks also on campus. But to be successful in a career where you change young lives every day and you're preparing them not only to go to college, but really think about college and to be dedicated. He's been doing that his entire life. And we don't have that many soldiers like that. And I'm so grateful that you stayed on campus impacting so many individuals. Now we have Latino fraternities and sororities now, and that was led by the African American sororities and fraternities, creating that vision for us that this can be possible for us. So I know there's a lot of folks that will feel, they wait sometimes until they're really old to recognize them. No offense, Mr. Powell. But I wanted to recognize you now because he's making history today. And he continues to make history behind closed doors, evenings, weekends. His wife probably has to sacrifice and getting the kids and all the relationships because he's like their father figure. He has tons of youth that are looking up to him. And so he's just a living legacy. And I wanted to recognize it now, all the good work that he's done. And thank you to the University of Toledo for supporting him. And hopefully this is their hint to give you more money too. Thank you.
Thank you. I first want to thank Reverend Perriman for calling me a young man. It's greatly appreciated. I want to thank Anita Lopez, Pete Gherkin, Lisa Sebecki, the commissioners for this recognition at a time when the history of our people in many segments of our country is trying to be erased. I commend them for continuing to celebrate the great history of our people in this nation and abroad. I want to thank my parents because people talked about my service, but I was raised, and all of us were raised to be servants by our parents. I want to thank my family that's present. My family raised us and continues to raise people to be servants. My church, New Life Church of God in Christ, raised us to be servants. The University of Toledo taught us to be servants. My fraternity taught me to be a servant. So I really didn't have a choice in the matter. It's been that way since birth. But I want to thank all my family that's here and all those that are here. Certainly want to thank my wife, Brenda. You're right, Anita. It was a lot of sacrifice. Students call me anytime they feel like it, and they come to the house anytime they feel like it. So again, greatly appreciate this honor and all of you for being here.